personalize.com, and I have another fun project for the July mystery box. And the theme for this one was all about travel and different fun things for travel. So I thought one good thing for travel and vacation would be a beach towel. So this one I got at Walmart. The type that I like to use, there's a lot of different types you can use out there. The type I like to use, it doesn't have a lot of height to it. You know how it's got the little loops, terry cloth has kind of the little loops. It doesn't have all of that. It's fairly smooth and it should work great to put some Easy Weed on it. And so this towel, and then I've got 3 different colors of Easy Weed that we're going to use. And I will go ahead and weed those really quick. Okay, I've got everything weeded now, and I'm going to be using 3 different colors, so we'll be doing a little bit of layering, and I'm just going to put a name on the edge of it. So I'm going to get my towel and press the edge. Just to make sure you get any moisture out and get all ready for how you want to press on it. And today I'm using the Cricut Auto Press to do this, but you can use your home iron or any other heat press you've got. Okay, you should be good. Actually, let me go just a little bit longer just to make sure. And I'm going to use this color as the base, and then these 2 others, the mint and the pink, for the letters. I just wanted a fun block letter pattern to kind of go with the stripes on the towel. Okay, we should be good. And one nice thing about the stripes on the towel, I don't have to worry about lining it up. The stripes help me line everything up. Okay, do the first layer, and remember when you're layering, you only have to do the first couple layers just a few seconds, and then the last layer gets the full time. That way you're not over pressing it, you're not going to risk damaging the vinyl, anything like that. And peel that one off. And then we'll go with the pink. And again, this one's just going to get a few seconds. I'm going to turn up my time for the last press so it gets the full time. So that one will get a few seconds and we'll see how it turns out. And I love this towel. All these colors match so great with the mystery box. Or with any project you're doing. It's got so many different colors in it that just grab any different color you want to match with it. And there we go. Cute little name that kind of matches all the different stripes on this towel. And she won't lose her towel at the beach or the pool or wherever you're going this summer. So another fun project. We can't wait to see what you guys make. Have a good day.